Amazon gift cards are a popular choice for gifting and can be used to purchase a wide range of products on the Amazon website. However, many people wonder if it is possible to transfer the balance from an Amazon gift card to a bank account. While Amazon does not provide a direct option for this, there are alternative methods that can help you access the funds on your gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Your Digital Guide. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will explore different ways to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to a bank account. First, transfer to Amazon Pay. Sign into your Amazon Pay account, select the gift cards option, redeem your gift card by applying the voucher code, transfer the funds from your Amazon Pay account to a bank account. Then contact Amazon customer support. Log into your Amazon account, click on customer service, choose the payment, charges or gift cards option, select the problem with the gift card category, follow the on-screen prompts to contact Amazon customer support and seek assistance in transferring the balance. After that, sell gift cards through third-party sites. Find reputable websites that allow you to sell gift cards such as Raise, Card Cash, or Gift Card Granny. Sign up for an account on the chosen website. Set up payment method. List your Amazon gift card for sale, providing all the necessary details. Wait for a buyer and complete the transaction. Receive payment, which can be transferred to a bank account. Then post on Reddit. Visit subreddit dedicated to gift card exchanges. Familiarize yourself with the rules for selling gift cards posted by the moderators. Set your price and negotiate with potential buyers. Once you agree on payment terms, send the gift card to the buyer. Then sell your gift cards to other people. Reach out to people you know or post on your social media accounts to find someone interested in buying your gift card. Set a price and negotiate the terms of the sale. Once you have a buyer, complete the transaction and receive payment. While directly transferring your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account may not be an official option, these alternative methods offer safe and legal ways to unlock the real world value of your unwanted credit. So, ditch the gift card blues and explore the creative options available to turn your digital dollars into something you can truly enjoy. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. You can drop your queries in the comment section below. And for more such informative videos, do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from your digital guide. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye, take care and have a nice day.